Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Sonic key fob. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, preferably one with a thin tip, and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to prevent losing small parts. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process for your key fob. Next, carefully examine your key fob to locate the small notch or slot on its side. This opening is typically found near where the key ring attaches. Gently insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this notch. Be precise and avoid applying excessive force to other parts of the fob, as this could cause damage to the casing. With the screwdriver in the notch, gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob. It should pop open with minimal effort. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is positive and which is negative, as you'll need to insert the new battery in the same way. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up, just as the old one was positioned. Gently align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap securely into place. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, test your newly reassembled key fob to confirm it locks and unlocks your vehicle properly. This simple check ensures everything is working as it should.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.